So we have a cat that likes to come hang out. Buddy's name is Tyrone.
Weight gain, increased cholesterol, unusual urges, dizziness on standing, falls, seizures, trouble swallowing, or sleepiness may occur. Is that anything salty? Be right for you. Ask your doctor about only when salty.
But yeah, there's this cat that likes to come hang out with us. And, you know, we give him some food. We give just like the neighborhood cats some food. And he decided to give us a gift. And it's like, it's the cat's way of saying thank you so much for the food, you know? Because, like, you know, usually cats eat the birds. But my mom got really upset with him. And she was just like, you are in trouble, mister. Get out of here. So now I'm in charge of trying to figure out, oh, dude, he's so tiny. مامان با پرنده چی کاری کنم؟ با پرنده چی کاری کنم؟ تو سطح آشغال؟ اونجا؟ Okay. So I think that the best thing that I can do, because my mom's just like, I don't even know. I don't know what to do, man. Like, throw it in the trash. But like, I don't feel like I want to put the bird in the trash because Buddy deserves to go back to the earth. You know what I'm saying? And like, we've got trees. We've got trees. Ah! We've got trees all over. So I'd rather have the bird go back to the trees than to be put into the trash, you know? So this is what I got cupping done today. I feel amazing. But this is just, I guess this is part of the plan. I guess this is part of the vibe for today. Is to bury a bird. I gotta like grab. Oh, fuck. We gotta like get properly. Where's the? Oh fuck. Okay, I need to get like a proper. Where is... Okay, I'm trying to find... Things are kind of all over the place here, but like this is what I have. I want to like hold on, grab the little... Tyrone! Look who decided to come say hello. My mom's mad at you, bro. No. I have to go now bury this fucking bird because of you. Oh shit, Mavi, yo. Have you come to pay your respects, mister? Don't show yourself to mom. Because she's mad at you right now. Mr. Tyrone. You need to come pay respects to the bird that you fucking murdered. You bird murderer. Okay. Okay. Oh, God. I just hope that this cat doesn't like I'm trying to like bury him like at least further enough so like he's just, you know, he's got a good like, I don't know what I'm talking about. No, don't be cute. You killed this bird. murderer. I was not expecting this to be my Thursday. Tiny bird. God, I just hope you lived a full life before it was taken by a cat that just wanted to show its respect and its gratitude. May you go back into the earth the way that you deserve. And may your body provide the nutrients to the trees, and for the trees to provide nutrients to you and the bugs. Here he hangs. Here he hangs. And here is the perpetrator. The perp. The tiny baby. What do you have to say for yourself, mister?
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick-ass boy.
Do you think he even feels bad? It's his instinct. And, like, I can't even be an asshole about it. But my mom's mad. My mom's upset with him. And he's just such a handsome guy, too. Look at him. How friggin' handsome he is. He's so handsome. I wanted to do, like, a similar type of eulogy where... You know that part in Harry Potter when, like, the spider dies and Hagrid is just like, oh, will you... I don't know, Professor Quirrell or something. He was just like, oh, will you give a eulogy? And he's like, your body will decay. I wanted to do something like that, but, like, bird doesn't deserve that, man. Your body will decay. I'm also properly recovering from getting, like, a crazy-ass virus. Not necessarily a virus, I don't know. I got a bug. I got a bug of some sort, and my body's just been, like, mad achy lately, so luckily I got a homie that does cupping. She gave me some amazing cupping. Alright, handsome man. Buddy. Can't be doing that, okay? No more birds. No more boys. But I got back, and my mom's making food. And the food is going to be fire as fuck. I'm so excited. I buried the bird. Huh? Tyronam omad. Tyronam omad. نه من بهش گفتم مامان اصلا الان تو رو دوست نداره. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. Yes! Loubion polo. Loubion. یه ذره از گوشت میخوای من بخورمش؟ چشم. ببینیم اگه خوبه یا نه. Ooh, that's good. Delicious meat. She want me to get another potato? Tighter. And then that's gonna be the tadik. It's layering time. Yes. You're only putting the sauce in there? فقط صوصش میذاری؟ Oh.
تایش خوشگل خوش رنگ
خوش رنگ.
معمولا باید زعفرونم بریزی من زیاد زعفرون آدم نیست
چرا نه؟ دوست نداری زعفرون؟ What?
I don't know why.
My mother made, I think it's banana bread, but I think it's more of like a banana cake.
With certified mechanics and exceptional workmanship, we are the one-stop garage for all your automotive needs. Don't forget, all military and first responders get 15% off. At Anderson Tire.
Damn, this with white chocolate would fuck hard. We should put pecans in it. She used like a box cake, like a French vanilla box cake. That's good as hell, girl. Woo!
The body will decay.
What's happening? Okay. Wow. I'm gonna start crying again. I have to get this recipe. That's what I mean. It's got a good level of spice to it. Ten out of 10. All right. I need to go charge this. Oh, I was like, man, when's she gonna get? So that's what's going on today. I got cupping done. I am today officially debt-free for my credit card. Thank you to an incredibly amazing, supportive parental unit. Thank God. They're the fucking homies for life. May they be provided with the deepest accolades and the deepest of blessings. I am getting fed amazing Persian food. But yeah, I'm going to start doing some vlogs so people can just hang out with me if they would like. Because I do weird shit like have to bury birds. Thanks for watching.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick